I want to have fun with makeup today. I recently received all this new makeup from Sheglam, and this is going to be all my first impression. This is the Love Dive at First Sight Moisturizing Primer. It feels like a gel moisturizer. It's super lightweight. I am loving this foundation so much. This is the Sheglam Complexion Pro Long-Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation, and I'm using the color Warm Vanilla. Now, I said this is my first impression, but I have been using this foundation on repeat since I made this video. This foundation is great for oily skin. It holds up my makeup through the day. I didn't even use setting spray. I would compare this foundation to the Kat Von D Good Apple Serum Foundation. It has full coverage and it's only $10. So you guys know me, one thing that I love is doing my eyebrows and trying new brow products. This is the Brows On Demand 2-in-1 brow pencil. As you can see, on one side it has a brow pen and then it has a microfine pencil. I like using the brow pen to do like very natural brow strokes in this beginning portion of my eyebrow. And then I use the microfine pencil to create my shade. And I hope you guys seen the price because this is only $3.99 and it is sweat proof and waterproof, transfer resistant. And by the way, this is the color Chocolate. I really wish I went with Espresso though, but chocolate doesn't look so bad on me. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be trying this Rose Sonata eyeshadow palette. I don't normally wear eyeshadow anymore because I have very sensitive eyes, but this palette looks super cute and I wanted to try it. I'm also going to try this Live to Roam cream gel eyeliner and applying it to the top lash line. I ended up deciding to do a wing with this, and then I'm like, let's do a fox shape eye. Why not? Or cat shape. I don't know what you call the shape. I kept going back into the Rose Sonata eyeshadow palette to finish up the eye look, and then I'm gonna try this concealer. I love this type of concealer. It has a sponge head applicator, which I think is super easy to apply right under your eye. And by the way, this one is under $7 and I have the color Nude. And because it does have a sponge head applicator, I also grabbed the color Chestnut, thinking it was gonna be a good color to bronze my skin. I should have gone 2 shades darker, but yeah, I thought it was gonna be good at bronzing. And now moving on to blush, I'm going to use this Color Bloom liquid blush in the color Petal Talk. This also has a sponge applicator. It's super pigmented, but this color just didn't complement my skin tone. For my medium skin tone, I usually like doing something very mauve-y or apricot. To set my face, I'm going to use the Skin Focus High Coverage Powder Foundation, and this one is in the color Chatillery. It's very light for me. I regret putting it on, but once I have it on, can't go back. This is my newest obsession, and obsession is an understatement. If you are looking for something to brighten up your under eye, look no further. This one is only $9 and it is the Instant Ready Face and Under Eye Setting Powder Duo in the color Bubblegum. On the top portion, you will find a pressed powder, and on the bottom, you'll find a loose powder. I steer away from loose powders because of my sensitive eyes, but the pressed powder is worth it. I mean, this is only $9. I'm telling you, get it. I was really not happy with the previous blush that I'm using, so this one's not from Sheglam. It's actually from ColourPop, but I needed to add a different blush. And now I'm going to go into some lip products. This is the So Lippy lip liner in the color Misty Rose. Very creamy and super pigmented. It is only $2.99. And then for lipstick, I'm going to use this color here called High Key, and I love it paired with the lip liner. I think this is a perfect pair. Definitely recommend getting these two together. That is my first impression of majority of these Sheglam products. Let me know which Sheglam product most intrigued you down below in the comments. I just know that if you have oily skin, you're gonna love the foundation, and the pink setting powder, it's a must for everyone of all skin types.